Hello and welcome to this Open Horizons math tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at this Algebra 2 question. A lot of exams have questions similar to these, and these are pretty challenging, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing to consider is that we can actually work on the numerator and the denominator separately. So the numerator is all raised to the 2/3 power, and the denominator is all raised to the 2/3 power. So what we're going to do is we're first going to find what y to the power of 4 all raised to the 2/3 power equals. And based off of this rule here, which says that x to the power of a all raised to the power of b is just x to the power of a times b, we're simply just going to multiply both of these exponents. So 4 times 2/3 is just equal to 8/3. Which means that this denominator here should be equal to y to the power of 8/3. But we can simplify this further. As you can see here from the second rule, x to the power of a over b is equal to the b root of x to the power of a. Y to the power of 8/3 is equal to the cube root of y to the power of 8. Cool. So now that we know this, we can actually take a look at the denominators of each of these individual answers and see which one works for this. So let's start with answer D. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to try and express this y squared over here in terms of the cube function. So to do this, we're just going to cube y squared. So y squared all cubed is equal to y to the power of 6. So y squared, therefore, is equal to the cube root of y to the power of 6. So now we're going to apply this third and final rule, which says that x to the power of a times x to the power of b is equal to x to the power of a plus b. So we're just going to add both of the exponents to this whole equation. So cube root of y to the power of 6 times the cube root of y squared is equal to the cube root of y to the power of 8, since 6 plus 2